Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing our award-winning Pumpkin Pecan Pudding Cake on the Big Green Egg. A little bit about this recipe. This was actually shared with us from a cooking team in the Smoke in the Ozarks Egg Fest in Nixa, Missouri from 2023. They took first place that year. That says something. We actually recently did this in Atlanta at Eggtoberfest at the big event that they have. Cooked the same recipe and we got neighborhood champion there. So great recipe. It's a crowd favorite, and the good news is it's easy. So our ingredients, we're going to start with pure pumpkin. 1 can. 1 can of evaporated milk. 3 eggs. 1 cup of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Dump all those in there, and then we're going to whisk these ingredients together. All right, that's all mixed and ready to go. Today we're using our enamel Dutch oven from Big Green Egg. This is a really nice accessory here. We've got the bottom that we're going to actually bake in. I've got just a little bit of coating in there so it doesn't stick. Nice thing about this, you can also use, it has a lid, but you can also cook in this for recipes as well. So we'll go ahead and we're going to dump this into our pan. And we would technically call this a dump cake, because at this point in time we've added our ingredients, but we're not going to stir anything. We're just going to dump all the ingredients on top of the fruit, which in this case was pumpkin. We have yellow cake mix here. Just evenly spread that out. Next comes a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we have 2/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. And last but not least, we have 2 sticks of butter. And it's easy if you pad these ahead of time. And we're just going to layer these on top, all across the top of the ingredients here. Again, this is a dump cake, so you do not stir anything. It's all going to melt together. So 350 degrees, indirect heat there, just like an oven, like the middle rack of the oven, like the recipe calls for. We're going to put that on there, let that cook for about 50 minutes to an hour until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, it's been right about an hour, and you can see we're looking to where it's just nice and everything's firmed up there. We're going to pull this off and let it cool for just a few minutes. All right, the finished pumpkin pecan pudding cake. As we mentioned before, this is an Egg Fest inspired award-winning recipe. Good news is tomorrow at Outdoor Home in Nixa is Egg Fest. So if you come out, get your taster tickets, you'll get to try this and hundreds of other recipes cooked on the Big Green Egg. And last but not least, everything Big Green Egg in the store will be 10% off tomorrow as well. So come see us at Outdoor Home in Nixa.